And I'm gonna pay at the pump. Gotta do it quick because I don't want nobody to snatch me up. That was way much easier than the other. Yeah. I forgot you had to do the pen. I know I'm gonna go inside and pay. I had to do the pen, y'all. And I'm just as slow as I want to be. Just as slow as I want to be, y'all. Forgot to put the pen, the whole pen up in there. I'm thinking something going on with the pump. I'm thinking something going on with the pump. It's me the whole time. It's me the whole time. Put $10 in. Hold on. Ooh, it's hard. There wasn't nothing wrong with the other pump over there. It wasn't nothing wrong with the other pump. I thought I said I wanted the receipt. Oh, okay. Alright, so got the gas. Let's lock the door. Soon as I get up in the car, y'all, I always lock the door. I don't care. I'm finna go get a coffee. I wanna go, 7 Butte is open, so I think I'm gonna go to 7 Butte and get a coffee. Starbucks and the rest of the coffee shops are closed. Besides 7 Butte. 7 Butte closed at 11, I think. Don't run the light, ma'am. Don't hit me. You know, cars. Y'all see some cars over there? Do you see some? Let's cut through the parking lot. I know this is bad, but we finna, ain't nobody over here, so we finna cut through the parking lot. This is bad. Don't do this at home. Alright, so just get over there. Is they open? They do not. I see some cars though. I'm the only one. I bet they're like, girl, you the only one here talking about some coffee. Oh, no, somebody else in line. Look at that. Funnel cake. Ooh, that sound like gonna tear my stomach up. They're playing music. Hello, so this is my second time coming here. Can you recommend me an iced coffee?
Right now, the funnel cake macchiato is my go-to right now. The funnel cake.
Is it like sweet?
It's sweet.
Okay, I'll try the funnel cake.
Okay.
It got like caffeine in it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try that.
All right, love. You got a good phone number with us?
I think so. I'll take a small.
Small funnel cake macchiato. Thank you, love. Have a good night, okay?
Okay, you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, y'all, that actually look good though. Make sure I don't hit nothing coming up out of here. Alright, so I got my coffee. She said, what she called this? The whatever she said, y'all heard her. Oh yeah. That is good. I definitely taste the coffee at the bottom. If I don't go to sleep, we just gonna be riding these streets all night. I definitely taste the coffee at the bottom of it, cause that's what I need. But yeah, this is good. I don't know, y'all. I just been feeling iced coffee lately. I feel like the people who drink iced coffee is the bougie people, and I'm feeling a little bougie. All right, so I'm waiting on the light to go. Long light here, buddy. Won't you just run it? Nah, we gotta be safe on the road. Okay, Porsche. Go on, Porsche. Yeah, he got the drop top down. He got the drop top. He got the top down. Okay. So this is like, where is it? Tonight it's there. Look like they got all the cars out at night. Look like they got all the cars. Show y'all. That's what it look like right there. And they playing music. But yeah, they got all, well, not all. Look at it. Every time I see a Jeep, no matter what corner I turn, I'ma see a Jeep. Look, Jeep. That's crazy. Every street I get on, I see a Jeep. But y'all see like the skylight up there? That be lit every night. I feel like my brake pedal needs some oil on it. What is they doing right here? What is they doing? I don't think they know. I think they might be drunk. They out there running the stop sign. It's my go. I'm gonna go this way. They literally running the stop sign. See, it be packed down here on the weekends. It definitely be packed. I don't know what they got going on down here tonight, but it's kind of packed down here tonight. I guess because it's like Labor Day weekend. It's Labor Day weekend. Oh, can I fit through there? If he got through there with that big truck up there, I don't think they supposed to be parked like that. See how they crazy down here? You definitely got to have insurance on your car when you come downtown. Definitely got to have insurance. Because people be drunk, don't know how to park. Definitely don't know how to park. Alright. See how all the people just walking and having a good time? Well, I don't know if they're having a good time, but they're walking. Look how man, I'm telling y'all, these potholes. Look at that. I feel like I'm on the mountains. The mountains. All these potholes down here. All this money down here. They don't want to fix the holes in the road. They literally don't want to fix the holes in the road. See what I'm telling you? Every corner is a Jeep. See how he just passed? Go, lady. You supposed to have stopped, ma'am. What are you doing? They just running this stop sign. She's literally supposed to have stopped. It wasn't even her go or my go. People just be so in a hurry. I don't know why people be in a hurry. Just enjoy the scenery. Them YNs down here. No, it's time to go. No, it's time to go. The YNs out. I thought they had like a curfew or something down here. Like they had to be, or was it like during a summer thing? They might have been doing the summer thing because I know they had like a curfew where they had to either they had to be down here with like a guardian or a parent or guardian, and they couldn't be down here by themselves at like around 10 o'clock. I just almost ran the light. I'm gonna say the stop sign. They got the good parking spot right there. I wish it was a parking spot right there, because I think they're wishing. So y'all, that's my drive, late night drive tonight on this good Saturday, Labor Day weekend. What y'all doing for Labor Day weekend? Let me know in the comments. Do y'all cook out? What do y'all do for Labor Day weekend? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all thumbs up this video. Let me know what y'all thought about it. Subscribe to the channel if y'all enjoy this type of content, and I'll see y'all in the next video.